Hi, friends. Some people had some questions about slide 9. So here's how I would think about slide 9. I also, for this one, I'm using the calculator just to make things a little easier for myself. All right. So Tyler ran 4,200 meters in 30 minutes. So that is 30 minutes, 4,200. And then so a couple things. Number one, it looks like this unit here takes up too much space, so you can't see your whole number. That's my bad. I'm sorry. I will try to fix it, or at least not make that same mistake again in the future. And then here, I was helping one group, and we correctly found the rate in meters per second, and it called it incorrect because if you look here in the table, they're actually looking for meters per minute. So this meters per second and the meters per minute, that's why our number was wrong. So it wasn't wrong, it was just a different units. So if I've got 4,200 meters in 30 minutes and I want to find meters per minute, that's 4,200 meters divided by 30 minutes. You could also multiply times 2 because that'll give you, anyway. Yeah, so this is how much for half an hour. If you doubled it, you'd get it for an hour, and then divide that by 60, you'd get down to minutes. Either way, it's 140 meters per minute. 140 meters per minute. We could also take this number, if we divided this number by 60, because there's, 140 divided by 60. If it's 140 meters in 1 minute, if we divide by 60, then that's going to be 2.3 meters per second, about 2.3. So if you got 2.3 meters per second, I would accept that as a correct answer because it's the same speed. So same reasoning for Kieran. Kieran, half an hour is 30 minutes. And then 6,300 meters. So if I do 6,300 divided by 30 minutes, that's going to be 210 meters per minute. So 210 meters per minute. And then if I take that number, 210 meters in 1 minute, and divide it by 60 to find meters per second, that's 3.5 meters per second. So again, if you got 3.5 meters per second, that is the same speed. So that would be a correct answer. This was just confusing. And then 45 minutes, and then 6.3 kilometers. Well, I want to do that in meters. So 6.3 kilometers is 6,300 kilometers. 6,300 meters. And then if I divide that out, 6,300, divide that by 45 minutes, that is 140 meters per minute, which is the same speed as Tyler. So that's still 2.2 1/3 meters per second. And you find these rates by divide the number of meters by the number of minutes. You could also, if you wanted to, you could do it in a meters divided by minutes. Oh, weird. I don't know why it does that. That's weird. Okay. I hope that was helpful. And then you can't even see those numbers. I'm sorry that the screen was confusing. I hope that is helpful.